Go crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy!
Guys, maglalaro po tayo ng horror. Yes po, dati naman. So, ang lalaroin po natin ngayon ay Trick or Treat. Kasi Halloween naman po ngayon. Start na po natin. Flashlight. Yes sir, flashlight tayo, buddy. Michael, I am back here again. Okay? A place that feels so familiar to me. Maybe I can press the escape key to adjust the system. Okay. Hindi malakas. Ito. Oh, dang! Oh, wow! What are you doing?
Brother,
Ayaw nga mapindot. Ayan. Michael. It's me! I'm here to die at my friend's house and stay for a while. Okay? You're Michael. Long time no see. Yes, sir. Ew, yak, ew. Ba't ka gumaganyan, ha? Oh, kumikinang-kinang ka pa, boss, eh. Super science na, boss. How have you been? Okay. I'm fine. I'm good. Kenchana. Same as always. Your parents' house is the one with the light on at the door. Siyempre, nakikita ko na nga, boss. Ano ba yan? Thank you! Good check. By the way, you should be careful those days. Did something happen? A while ago, there was a red glow coming from the second floor of your parents' house, and it looked like some strange people moved in. Wow! I was worried it was fire, so I called police. But the police did find anything. Maybe my old time they fixed. Alright, I will keep an eye. Go on then, dear. Remember to get some candy. Betty even thought it was a bit late. It might still come back. Yes, sir. Thanks. I will.
oh my God. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck? Get your ass.
Oh, if I'm not mistaken, this is Frank's house. My best friend from when we were kids. That's he should be home. But all the doors and windows are shut tight. Like he's been away from for ages. Wow. So ito nga yung bahay. So hindi ko nakikita, guys. Tayo pupunta. Tama nga pinupuntahan ko. Oh, kala ko tao. Okay. Press F. Okay guys, ako lang to. Ma-edit ko lang muna to kasi mahaba-habang video lang ito guys. So, chill ka muna dyan. Siyempre. Wait, tao ba yun? I will go and get the baba boo boo babu baby babu. Oh, be in our kitchen. Okay, upo. Upo. Woo! Okay naman. Oh, yun. Woo! There. You should still be okay to eat. Right? Oo. May pag Pilipino tayo, kakain na natin. Find the source in the garden. Pull out.
Wow. Talaga.
Pa. Patao ka? Ito na. Wait, tignan natin. Ano ka, boss? Para kang matanda. Ano to? Hey. Happy Halloween, kids. Wait a minute. Blah, blah, blah. Blue. Mga ganyan, boss. Ah. Ooh, yuck! Eee. Ba't naman niya yung mata mo ba? Boss, eh? Uy. Ano? Ducking. Tapo ko sa mukha nila, no? Hello? Wala. Uy. Wala. Here's your claim, kids. Thank you! Thank you very much. Clean up the trash in the house. Papahirapan na naman tayo na ito, eh. Okay na. Take the trash bag from the kitchen and throw it. Yo, those shish. What are those? Who did this in my house? Oh, sheesh. Alright, Mr. Kitchen mentioned it earlier. It must be some stupid kid. Holy crap. Great! It will, I will finish this out tomorrow when I have got some other kids to take care of. No. Hello? Ooh. Shoot. Oh. No. Red flag na yan, guys. Red flag na yan. Kailangan na natin umalis. Oo, kung ako lang yan, naalis na ako sa bahay. Okay na? Bag from the kitchen and so... Outdoor! Wait! Outdoor. Ayan. May tatapon to. Yun. Outdoor. Basta dalag pa yung laptop ba yan? Oh! Pasok sa'yo ito yung... pasok ito sa'yo eh. Ito. Okay. Ano ka? Up. Yeah. Who are you? You scared the hell out of me. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm just in a panic. I get that you're in a hurry, but please calm down first. My kid is missing. Have you seen him? No? Thank you. Your kid. He's wearing a red jacket. He should have come here with his friends. Oh. Kanina. Yung mukhang matanda. What? He must be here with you. No? Thank you. Calm down, ma'am. 2 kids come by for candy earlier. You can check the neighborhood across the street. He's been missing for days. Oh, shoot. Sino yun? Sabi ko na talaga. Oh, mawa ka naman, buddy. Holy sheesh. Ano to? Pangit mo nga ano. Ano? What the hell are those Halloween costumes though? It's disgusting. They are weird. HP. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. They gonna know. No to be. Oh, shit, ano ka? Hello? Okay, so far so good. Ayan na. Papakita na sila na to. Ayoko na. Ito na ako sa bahay. Ayoko na. Ano ba yan? Ay, binuksan ko lang. Oh! Natatakot na ako, Gage. Tingin ka lang stats. Dalaw. Tapos ko, ulo na yan, oh. Ano yan? Sa likod. Ano ba yan? Yes, sir. Ano ba yan? Yes, sir. Okay. Sleep. Tulog. Uy. Finally. I can go to sleep. Grace! What a tiring night. Oh, shit. Find a key and sleep. Huh? Curtain breaker in the base. Oh, shh. This house is so old, probably the... Circus breaker. So naman, the circus breaker is in the basement. Can probably find a key in my parents' room. I'm so tired. Once I fix this, I'm going to bed right away. Ako na. Woo! Oh, dang. No. Hello? Oh, shish. Ang dalim naman. Oh! Ano ka? Buti na, hindi ko nakita. Oh, it's damn and filthy, covered in weird blood. Dang. Must be rats or some kind of strange animal that got in through the air vent. No. Hello? Air vent. Oh, hello? Finally fixed and now I can go back to blah blah blah. What ba? Oh, back! Oh, shit! Oh! Hello, ano yan? Takbo! Ayaw mong tumakbo! Uy, ayaw tumakbo! Uy! Buddy! Galingan mo! Wah! Power! I have the power! Ano mo yan? Ano mo? Woo! Oh. My beautiful shush. You there and back. Oh, hindi ko na mabasa yan, guys. Ano to? Ito siguro nagmumura-mura siguro to. Fine, guess I have to go check. No. Wag mo lang check, buddy. Wait lang. No? Double check. Wait lang. Nakabukas, oh. Nakabukas siya body, oh. Nakabukas yung likod natin, oh. Oh. Huh? Wala. Talaga. Well, thank you. This is my candy bar. Why is this here? Because this is not there. Did someone break into my house? Blah blah blah, or it is a prank? No, this is not a prank. I'm getting more and more uneasy. Easy. Yep, yung katawan nandito pa din. Okay. So far so good. Ayan. Oh, masulit guys. Boss ko, hindi siya nakuha. Put the kitchen bowl. Kitchen table. Okay. Ayaw naman eh. Nope. Stop. Check for anything unusual in the garden. Someone whispering right in my ears. Kind of scared. No. Movie ka na po. Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Oh, eesh. Well, okay. I'm dead. Patay na ako. Patay na ako, guys. Oh. Ooh, did this. I am about to show up. Okay. It's all Halloween. And there are weird words written on the wall. Is this a prank? Prank. It must have been those two kids from earlier. What is it? I gave them expired candy. Oh, shit. Expired milk. Expired candy nga. Buddy, wag kang ganyan. Ikaw kasi. Go to the bed now. Oh. Show. The hell is this? I must be hallucinating from tiredness, right? No. I need to sleep right now. Right now! Right na siya, gadi. And then I died. So far, so good. Just lie down on the bed and clear my mind of everything. But first, I need to turn off the lights. Wow! Wag na, buddy. Tulog na tayo. Pala, kasar naman eh. Hindi ako magbabasa eh. Attention na. Lights. Kaasar! Ano na naman? Oh! Ano to? Oy! What the fuck? Run! Whoa! Balik tayo! Run! Oh! Balik tayo! No. Ayaw! Ulit. Oh. Tayo dyan, buddy! Huwag tayo dyan! Oh, yap! Balik tayo! Ano? Run! Hide! Saan tayo hide? Umayod! 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 Wala! Ayaw! Patay ako! Woy! Ay! Basement tayo ba? Basement tayo guys. Basement tayo. Front door! Front door! Yes sir! Yes sir! Ito na. Okay! Okay! Oh! Hello? Oh shoot! Hello? Oh, next to electrical box in the basement. Electrical box. Electrical box. Ano ba yun? Nope. Oh. No. No? Oh, shit. Ano ka? Nagiging zombie ka na. Oh, leave the basement quickly. Ay, okay. Good pa ako. Ganda lang. Oh! 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 Stop, don't let. Oh, pulang. Ay. Ayan. Ulitin ko ulit. Saan tayo? Ay, ito na. Ay. Diyan na mo. Done. Oh, electrical na. Lang yan. Lang. Siya lang yan. Takbo! Takbo! Huwag ka lang, street door. Don't. Run, flee to the street and don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, don't stop. Oh,
Go crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy!
Don't stop. Boom! Woo! Ha! I ran on the instinct and fled the house. I ran on the instinct and fled the house. I didn't dare look. It wasn't long before the police and fire truck arrived at the scene. I could bring myself to go back there again, and all I heard was they found numbers of bodies. And two of them were children and one was a dog. According to the forensic report, they had died in the fire and their eyeballs were missing. In other words, they've been dead for several days. As I suspected, the body is the blue goat was found. Oh, my long missing neighbor and good friend. Since their body this is my first personal game thanks to 10,000 followers on Bilibili. Thanks to my yun na nga. So dito na po natin tatapusin itong trick or treats. So kung nagustuhan itong video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Yeah, peace. Bye! Happy Halloween guys!